ayun nga guys, we are here dito po sa Apalit, Pampanga, and we were invited by Nono's Premium Donuts, guys. This is the second time we're gonna be featuring Nono's. In terms of the size, I think this is bigger. Mas marami pong tables and chairs yung kaya niyang i-occupy. Pinaka-landmark guys, harapan lamang siya ng Jumbo General Apalit, just across it, bago po kayo umuwi. Right after yung mag-groceries or right after you visit Jumbo General guys, and visit po kayo dito sa Nono's Donuts and bring home your pasalubong. Alright, so since first time ni Nono's dito sa Apalit, mag-candid interview tayo guys kung sino yung mga pwede natin interviewin. So, actually, umpisan natin dito. So, okay lang ba yung ma-interview?
Okay lang po.
Okay lang po. Anong pangalan nila?
Irish po.
Irish and?
Kirby po.
Ayun guys, so kasama natin si Irish and Kirby. Taga saan, sir?
Santo Tomas po.
Santo Tomas, ikaw?
Lang po sa likod.
Sa likod lang. So, first time kang Nono's? First time kay Nono's? So, what was your first impression, sir?
Masarap po, parang very affordable price. Tapos, yun nga po, sa price niya is worth it. So,
Premium, no?
opo.
So, ikaw ma'am, first time mo siyang ma-experience. Ano yung impression mo, ma'am?
Masarap po talaga. Tsaka yung affordable po. Tapos yung biscuit po nila yung nilalook forward ko talaga.
Really? Nakailang donuts ka, ma'am?
Nakatatlo po.
Nakatatlo. Ikaw, sir, nakailan?
Tatlo din.
Tatlo din. How about the place? Sa lugar naman, ano masasabi nyo?
Okay po siya. Very convenient po puntahan kasi along the highway.
Yes. Kayo po.
Aesthetic po talaga.
Aesthetic.
Pwede pang IG store.
Alright, thank you guys. Thank you for... Ayun guys, so nakaisa na tayo. Let's see kung may mga interview pa tayo, iba. So, isa pang interview sa Nono's Apalit. Okay lang po ba, ma'am? Okay lang po ba?
Ako.
What's your name, ma'am?
Abigail po.
Abigail. Kapampangan or from?
Kapampangan, pero
Kapampangan.
from Makati
From
po.
Makati, ayun. Ma'am, nakita ko dito parang you have 4 boxes for takeouts.
Opo.
Saan makakarating to?
Makati.
Makati. First time niyo po bang matikman si Nono's?
No
doon?
po.
So, saan niyo po unang nakita?
San Fernando.
San Fernando. So, frequent or just once?
Pangalawa na po.
Pangalawa na po. Ano so far, ma'am, ano po yung nagugustuhan nila?
Double chocolate saka yung floss.
Wow! So, ma'am, dadali mo sa Makati to, may nagpabili po o para sa inyo?
Para sa anak ko.
Para sa anak. So, nagustuhan din po nila.
Opo.
Ayun. Marirecommend mo yung Nono's Donuts?
Of course.
Super.
Yes po.
Alright. Thank you so much,
Thank you
ma'am.
po.
Mama B. Thank you. Hello!
Alright, so on our table, ito yung mga Nono's favorites and saka yung mga Nono's premium. Yes, so for our Nono's favorites, so syempre meron tayong Sun's Rival Temptation, Apple Cinnabon, yes, tayong Mango Crunch, Biscuit Bite, Very Delicious Cheese Swirl, and yung kanilang the Hershey Bite, sabi niya. So for our premium, so meron tayong So Much Love, Almond Amore, yung kanilang Choco Caviar Creation, Choco Caramel Craze, yung kanilang Whipped Oreo Wonder, and yung kanilang Ube Bliss.
For our drinks, we have caramel macchiato, chocolate chip, strawberry lemonade, and Nono's red iced tea.
Yes.
So that's right.
So, mayroon akong favorite na motto or quote ni Forrest Gump. Sabi niya, life is like a box of chocolates. You never know what to pick. This time, it's boxes of donuts.
Ako siguro unay ko yung kanilang favorite na
Mahirap pa rin, di ba?
Sun's Rival. Siguro
Sun's Rival.
This one. Yun siya.
Bro, show it!
Yun na. Actually, meron siya. Yan na.
Wow. Sa akin naman guys, what do you call this? Hindi ko alam to.
Apple Cinnabon.
Ooh, apple cinnabon. Alright, so tingnan natin. Actually bro, for the record, the first time na natikman natin si Nono's Donuts sa San Fernando, Pampanga, nabilib na talaga ako sa dough nila.
Yes.
Mga brioche dough yung ginagamit nila. So not the regular breads. This one, it's milkier, it's
Soft.
tastier, it's
And
softer.
Yes.
Exactly.
They upgrade it to the next level. Like, talagang may mga Sun's Rival sila sa loob. Meron
Premium.
silang mga, mas ginawa nilang mga premium mga
Premium.
donuts nila.
I can say it's premium. Alright? More. Again, congratulations, Nono's Donuts, for another successful branch dito po sa Apalit, Pampanga.
Ang pinaka-landmark lang niya yung tapat siya ng Jumbo General Apalit. And they are open from 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. Monday to Sunday.
Alright, so there you have it, guys. If you're interested to taste for the first time si Nono's Donuts po, make sure to check out Apalit branch. They also have other branches. So just, message the fan page po we're gonna be including. So there you have it. Thanks so much for watching We're in Pampanga to our next discovery. Peace out. Bye guys.